than anyone I've seen you with before. So talk to me, tell me about all your insecurities, and I'm trying to make you see what I see. You're happier than I've ever seen you. It's true, love, don't fake it. You're better now, you're better now. It's right here, don't waste it. You're better now, you're better now. All the other kids with the bumped up kisses better run, and I'll run my gun. All the other kids with the bumped up kisses better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the bumped up kisses better run, and I'll run my gun. All the other kids with the bumped up kisses better run, faster than my bullet.
Breeze in your hair, breeze in your smile. Took a little picture in my mind. Breathe in the air, breathe in a while. Ain't nobody gonna live your life. I'm seeing things through a different lens. At the thought of getting older, thought of getting older. I see the journey and the road ahead. As the sun is getting closer, the sun's getting closer. Tell me what you want.
Light, camera, action.
It's all I wanna do. Believe, believe, believe. It's all I wanna do. Believe, believe, believe. It's all I wanna do. do.
Ooh, I got a new one for you. I like the way that sounds. I'm about to do it for you. I like to break it down. This joint has got me open. Ooh, that's my favorite song. I put my thing in motion. I do it all night long.
When you wake up, I'll be long gone. Made the great escape, took my heart and run. There's no returning, no burning bridges down. Phoenix to the golden flames. 'Cause boy, I'm all cried out over you, over you. Boy, I'm all cried out, burning up, burning up.
We stay wicked with the freaks of noise.
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, hello, me again. Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a
You see me on different stages, all the things that change, but you never see the pages that I left behind. Eye to eye with the evil, through the valley of death. It's really gonna know now, how far would you go now? Would you follow me, follow me, follow me, and hide in a secret place? Would you start ask questions, or would you trust his face? Would you follow me, follow me, follow me? Are you my ride or die? Would you cry when I cry? Don't lie. Would you miss me when I'm gone?
Can I be later? Could be done later.
Do you remember when it first started? September, love was changing the minds, tender, while chasing the crowd.
everyone, please welcome to the stage, Dave Burke.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the 2018 Android Developer Summit here at the...
Otherwise, I'll have to improvise. I can do this. So there's a lot of stuff going on here today. One of the things I want all of you on site to be able to take advantage of is the fact that we have a tremendous amount of Android experts available here at office hours. And those office hours are going to be right out here in the lobbies next to these rooms. Now, whether you're here or tuning in remotely, make sure to check out the Android Dev Summit app. So you can look at all of the events and build your own schedule. Now, you'll notice we have some different sessions throughout the day. This is a bit of an experiment. And the 20-minute sessions are going to run back-to-back on somewhat related topics with the intention that you watch both sessions because there's no time to leave the room. Also, we have lightning talks that are going to be a speed round where we move as quickly as possible to smash as much content to 40 minutes that is probably possible. For those of you at the summit, we're going to be, again, having Q&A with presenters outside these entrances as well, along with the office hours. So make sure to check out the schedule posted on the wall. We have so many people that wanted to talk to you that we can't actually fit them all here at once. So they're going to be coming in and out throughout the day. And so you want to make sure that you're here so that the engineer that worked on bugs that you might be interested in are actually going to be there to defend themselves. And finally, note that office hours are going to be running all day during and between sessions. So you're allowed to skip class if you want to go to office hours instead, or app review clinics, or the demo pods. And besides, we're going to be releasing all of the recorded sessions during and just after the run of the show, so you can binge watch it later. Also, we are having a party later on, so hold on to your badges and get ready for an epic night of music and standing around and talking to people. And that's it. I really appreciate everything. We have a little break now, and so enjoy the rest of Android Dev Summit.
Haven't done anything yet.
Go for it.
Thanks for coming to this talk. My name is Jose Alcerrica. I'm a developer relations engineer at Google, working on Android.
My name is Yiğit Boyar. I'm an engineer in the Android Toolkit team.
And today we're going to talk about live data. Live data is one of the first architecture components that we released last year. And in this talk, we're going to explain what it is. We're going to talk about some of the transformations that you can do, how to combine live data.
Yeah, this is actually, it's only available in RX. That's interesting.
Might be available in other type of thing.
Like coroutines, Kotlins?
Maybe.
Ooh, yeah, please. So Room 2.1 is a really big release, like the full text search, the database views. And when we decided which features to work on, we're basically relying on your feedback. Like these are literally, like I personally objected that allowing completive length stuff in those like insert queries for a long time. And I gave up because people really wanted it. And this is our development philosophy. We basically look at what the community is doing, how are they using it, what do they want, and implement them. So please try to use 2.1. It's a very big release, and we want to just ship it as stable as soon as possible, and we need your feedback. We basically look at the number of apps shipping with Room and see how they are using. We'll look for the incoming bugs. I mean, we don't really have bugs, but sometimes
no bugs.
Look for incoming user errors. Try to fix them. And then we try to ship. So please work with us, and we'll try to wrap it up and ship it. And also, please let us know what other features you want in Room so that we can implement them. All right, thanks a lot for coming to this talk. I hope it was useful.
Thank you.
And we will be in the sandbox area after the talk. Thank you.
Hello, welcome. I'm Jerome Daucher. I'm a software engineer at Google.
I'm Chris Thornton. I'm also a software engineer. And I'm Isa. I'm also a software engineer.
Hi, guys. I'm Leo. I'm a product manager. And so we're here to talk about the Gradle plugin. But first, I wanted to talk about build speed. Of all of what I just said, don't worry. We're working on a full write-up covering everything that we talked about around speed, around the findings that I shared, the tooling, the best practices, and more. So stay tuned. To recap, here's the takeaway from this session. First, we shared some finding on speed, and that we're basically a little bit outpaced by some of the features, the plugins, and all of the other things that are impacting build speed, but we're taking this very seriously. And so we're doubling down our effort on better tooling and attribution that you heard, as well as continuing to improve performances. We share the new features in 3.2, and I definitely encourage you to upgrade to 3.2 if you haven't already. And we mentioned some of the things that we're working for 3.3 and beyond. And by the way, 3.3 beta is available, so I encourage you to try it. It has some of the things that we mentioned, like lazy tasks and others.
It's right here. It's all I wanna do. Believe, believe, believe. It's all I wanna do. It's all I wanna do. It's all I wanna do. It's all I wanna do.
Ooh, I got a new one for you. I like the way that sounds. I'm about to do it for you. I like to break it down. This joint has got me open. Ooh, that's my favorite song. I put my thing in motion. I do it all night long. Ooh, I got a new one for you. I like the way that sounds. I'm about to do it for you. I like to break it down. This joint has got me open. Ooh, that's my favorite song. I put my thing in motion. I do it all night long. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, here I go again. I gotta hit 'em with a do it.
When you wake up, I'll be long gone. Made the great escape, took my heart and run. There's no returning, no I'm burning bridges down. Phoenix to the golden flame. 'Cause boy, I'm all cried out over you, over you. Boy, I'm all cried out, burning up, burning up.
We stay wicked with the freaks of noise.
Hey buddy. Damn it, my controller's running out of battery. How great. Hey buddy, so welcome to the stream. And it's gonna hear from over there. Alright, so today let me show you guys what's on my Switch. First thing we're gonna do. Alright, let's do this. I'm on my bed by the way, so you'll see a bit of my video. So I have one thing. This is my YouTube. This is the YouTube app I have. I have Fortnite and Minecraft 8 Deluxe is inside the game card section. We have Minecraft. We have Uno, which is a fun game by the way. It's a fun game. Tetris 99. Nintendo Entertainment System. So this is for the Nintendo Switch Online service. You must have Nintendo Switch Online for it. Rocket League, Minecraft for Nintendo Switch, Splatoon 2, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate is right over there. If I have enough zoom, I can zoom in straight over there. It's just right over there. It's over there. Whatever. Right. And we got snipper clips. We have more games except this stuff. So let me just agree. We have Cartoon Network Battle Clash. I don't know how that happens. Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. Yoshi's Crafted World. Captain Toad Treasure Tracker. The archive of Super Mario Bros. Back and emulated from the entertainment system or my NES box or my Xbox. Octodad, Tiger's Catch, Bridge Control Portal, a Deltarune, Please Don't Touch Anything, Bendy and the Ink Machine, Mario Plus Rabbit Skin Battle, Unbox, Honeybee Adventure, the Jackbox Party Pack 3 and 4, Minecraft Story Mode, the Complete Adventure, Rayman Legends, Tournament Edition, Carnival Games, which my mum actually plays that one, so it's not mine. Super Mario Odyssey, we have Sushi Striker, The Way of Shishito, demo version, Pokemon Crest. The Late Shift is a fun game actually, but it's not for like, it's only for like mature audiences, so make sure you not pick up that game if you're like a kid. Crash Bandicoot, The Insane Security, that's a fun game as well. Little Inferno, Sonic Mania, the Japanese version, the Japanese demo version of Sonic Forces. We have Stardew Valley, we have whatever that is, Fallout Shelter, Mega Man 11, also the Hollywood Roast, and I think that is the also in Sonic Simulator. No Finn, Sparkle Zero, Sparkle 2 Evolve, Sparkle 3 Genesis, Kirby Star Allies demo, which is uninstalled, and Happy Birthday demo, Pixel Junks Monsters 2 demo, Just Dance 2018, which is not installed, and finally Pew Pew Tetris demo, which is actually not downloaded, so it's gonna suck, so I'm gonna go boop. Alright, so that was just basically it for this period. Don't go anywhere for any more of this stuff. Coming soon, and if you guys wanna join the Discord channel, you know exactly how to do it. Also, I have wait a minute. I have a offended. Well, let's go for a break. Don't go anywhere. This is my Discord if you want to add me. And this is retight on me. That's great. Alright, so let me check if this actually is what I think it has. Oh, yes. I don't know what the next period is. Thanks for watching. Don't go anywhere. Add the server right now. Right there. So, add it. Thanks, everybody. Don't go anywhere. So, coming up next is me trying out the internet service. Going out into the web on your Nintendo Switch. Right, see you guys.
Breeze in your hair, breeze in your smile. Took a little picture in my mind. Breathe in the air, breathe in a while. Ain't nobody gonna live your life. I'm seeing things through a different lens. And the thought of getting older, thought of getting older. I see the journey and the road ahead. As the sun is getting closer, the sun is getting closer. Tell me what you want.
What is up? What is up? Welcome to the live stream. So today, I'll show you guys how to get the internet browser to work in your Nintendo Switch. So let's go over to settings and go to system settings. Go to internet settings. Go on your internet and put on DSN settings as manual. And you just type in this right here. Make this little. Which is 045 dot. I'll show you it'd be much easier if I just put it in a note. One minute. Right, just to put in, you just have to put in this right here into your Switch, and I'm not going to show my internet. And when you connect to it, it will say it doesn't connect and it is a registration. If that comes up, that means you successfully did it. Huh? Oops. So that was a bit of a April Fool's joke there. I know it's not April Fool's right now, but still an April Fool's joke. So I got you guys. Good fun. Anyway, it's time for a premiere. We have actually have 3 premieres to tell you guys about. Actually 2. We're doing the Firebase Dev Summit, and I'm going to be showing you all today. After that, it will be the Chrome Dev Summit. And we have a bit of actual treat for you guys. It's videos that I have got from the LG days, like LG G2 and like days and that stuff. We have that as a special treat, and you know what? Let's do our one first. So I'm gonna play 4 videos today. This one is a bit of a treat for you guys because I never uploaded it yet. So yeah, enjoy.
from you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President and CEO of the LG Electronics Mobile Communications Company, Dr. Jong-Suk Park.
Good morning, everyone.
Life is good.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to LG G3 Day here in London at the Battersea Evolution. And of course, to all of those of you that are watching it live streamed all over the world. It's a pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Pollyanna Woodward. I'll be your MC for this evening. Now, as I'm sure...
Yet not impossible. Get ready for something totally different. You've never seen anything like it before. Simple is the new smart. LG G3.
It really is. I hope you have all enjoyed the show. Thank you so much for celebrating LG's G3 introduction with us today. And thank you to all of those who have tuned in to watch live from across the world. We would now like to invite you to experience the LG G3 for yourselves so you can see, hear, and feel what simple is the new smart truly means. Have a lovely evening and goodbye.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to introduce the President and CEO of LG Electronics Mobile Communications, Mr. Juno Cho.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank you all
at the center of this special experience. See the great. Feel the great. LG G4.
Now, it's your chance to go and try out the LG G4 for yourself. Behind you is an awesome experience area where we want you to get your hands on the G4, check out the demo stations, speak to Colby, get some photography tips. It's now time for you to see and feel the greatness of the LG G4. Thank you, and have a great afternoon.
Hey buddy, this is my Pimeo to Firebase Dev Summit 2017. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Frank van Puffelen.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Firebase Dev Summit. I'm really, really, really happy to be here with all of you. Thanks, Francis. Thanks, Sam, and thanks, Kristen. Wait, Mike, I'm confused. Why are we both here?
Why are we both here?
Yeah, that's a good one. Let me first get some details out of the way before we figure this out. So, if you have any questions, wait, I think I skipped something. Who else is excited about all the announcements we just heard? I'm really happy. Good. It's so easy to lose track of that in a busy day like this. So, if you want to ask any questions or have a chat with Francis, Kristen, or Sam, go to the Ask Firebase Lounge. Now, it's a bit of a walk. You go out here and you can go up the stairs, or there's an elevator to the sides, and you can find many Firebases there. And like Mike and myself, they're very recognizable by their bright yellow shirts. So, Mike, I'm slightly confused. I thought I was emceeing here in the auditorium, so what are you doing?
Great question. And Puff will be emceeing here in the main auditorium, and I'll be the MC in the BIM house, which is out the auditorium to your left and up 2 flights of stairs, where we'll be going into some technical details in the second track.
That's cool. And there's an elevator to that one too, right?
Right, spot on.
Go by the registration. There's an elevator that goes there. That's cool. So wait, so we have the auditorium, we have the BIM house. We also have code labs for you. They're going to start right after the break, and they're at the top floor, pretty much right on top of the auditorium. And we have mentors there that are going to help you build an app with either Firestore or later in the day with other technologies. Let's see. I went upstairs earlier and we have AppShip 3000 set up. Who here has ever played our AppShip game? Yeah, good, good, good. Then you know that it's an exciting trivia game, especially because there's Firebasers telling you the answers. Helps a ton. Mike, have you played it?
I have, and it's now AppShip 3001.
It is?
Yes.
There has been an upgrade, I hear. So we're going to play it later today. Join us and see who gets a better score. And that's pretty much it for right now. We're going to have a break right now. There's coffee and snacks right outside here in the foyer. And I hope to see everyone back here at 11:15. And if you want to get some of the other tracks, follow Mike to the
BIM house.
BIM house.
Please welcome back Frank van Puffelen.
Where did everyone go? I swear there were more people before the break. I mean, I know the Dutch coffee is good, but come on, we have good content for you. Okay, are we still excited about the keynote? Yes. I was out there, and people seem to be really excited about it.
Level 2. Now analytics will send this custom event to our server, and this triggers our function, which sends us a notification that we just set up. There it is. So let's take a look back at what we just did. We used cloud messaging to let our existing users know about our new content. We then added analytics to track how our app is doing and what levels people are reaching. Remote config allowed us to target particular users and give them a specialized experience without needing to publish a new version of the app. We used performance monitoring to track how our app is performing with the new fixes, and Crashlytics gives us insights into what crashes our users are running into and lets us gather contextual data from remote devices. Finally, we wrapped it up by using the integration with analytics and functions to send off a notification at the right time to encourage users to go on to try level 3. It turns out almost 50% of App Store reviews are app crashes or network issues or other performance problems that we can fix. These are issues that we, as developers, should be aware of and have the power to fix to give our users a smooth app experience. Firebase can not only help us catch these issues up front and react to them, but it also allows us to track how our app is doing from how many users we have to latency numbers and enables us to reach out to the people using our app. There's a lot more we'd love to show you, but we have limited time. Everything we've demonstrated today, live, is free to get started with, so we encourage you all to explore on your own. Thank you so much for coming, and if you'd like to speak with us after the talk, you can find us in the Ask Firebase Lounge.
Please welcome back Frank van Puffelen.
How are you all doing? Did we have lunch? I hope so. Hey, Dennis. I definitely am excited about today. I mean, I'm actually slightly sort of bummed at times because I'm going to be here.
These are really powerful insights, and we are very excited to see how you are going to determine and how you're going to use different strategies to grow your app, either in terms of user base or revenue. And if you have any questions, we'll be in the Firebase Lounge to answer those. You can also tweet us with hashtag AskFirebase.
Yeah, and thank you all for
Right. Let's end off with PlayStation. Shut up. Weird. Right, anyway. Let's end off with the LG days. Enjoy.
from you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President and CEO of the LG Electronics Mobile Communications Company, Dr. Jong-Suk Park.
Good morning, everyone.
Life is good.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to LG G3 Day here in London at the Battersea Evolution. And of course, to all of those of you that are watching it live streamed all over the world. It's a pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Pollyanna Woodward. I'll be your MC for this evening. Now, as I'm sure
Yet not impossible. Get ready for something totally different. You've never seen anything like it before. Simple is the new smart. LG G3.
It really is. I hope you have all enjoyed the show. Thank you so much for celebrating LG's G3 introduction with us today. And thank you to all of those who have tuned in to watch live from across the world. We would now like to invite you to experience the LG G3 for yourselves so you can see, hear, and feel what simple is the new smart truly means. Have a lovely evening and goodbye.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to introduce the President and CEO of LG Electronics Mobile Communications, Mr. Juno Cho.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank you all
for the center of this special experience. See the great. Feel the great. LG G4.
Now, it's your chance to go and try out the LG G4 for yourself. Behind you is an awesome experience area where we want you to get your hands on the G4, check out the demo stations, speak to Colby, get some photography tips. It's now time for you to see and feel the greatness of the LG G4. Thank you, and have a great afternoon.
Oops, wrong button. Sorry, Mr. Cho. DJ, drop the beat.
a little bit of a cliffhanger for you. The fact of the matter is, we aim to bring the excitement back to mobile phones. And the reality is, the LG G5 is the most exciting new phone you'll see here at MWC. Now, it's your time to play. The LG G5 and all of the friends that we've shown today are on display in the great demo area just outside. Thank you for all our friends who are online right now, and to all our guests that have joined us here in Barcelona. Remember, life's better when you play more. Thank you.
My wish list is to have like a nice big screen. I can see the map, the streets. I don't see the street names.
So as I'm going through and I'm sitting on the train, or if I'm out and I just want to, quickly read something, it's a lot easier to see it.
I prefer a small size that I can put it in my pockets.
When I'm running around with my dog and my groceries and whatever else I'm carrying, I need to have a phone that can just easily go in any pocket.
やっぱり手で持ってるものなので、フィット感があった方がいいと思います。
I want a phone that's advertised waterproof, shockproof, dustproof.
Complete sunrise, or a complete sunset, and not have to have it on this little thing, that would be really nice.
Trying to take the panorama, and I'm just holding it, and I start shaking, and it messes up the photo.
Zdarza mi się go upuszczać, bez dużych kosztów naprawy. Because every time you drop it, the glass breaks. Yeah, I broke my glass, I did $200 to fix it.
Si yo pudiera encontrar un teléfono de esta calidad, te juro que lo compro en este instante, ahora mismo.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the LG G6 Day here in Barcelona. Thank you all so much for being here, and of course,
Well, I think that just about says it all. On behalf of LG, Georgie, we'd like to give you a warm thank you for joining us here today.
Oh, well, it's my absolute pleasure. And now please do head on over to the exhibition area at the back to really see what the LG G6 has to offer. Thank you so much. Enjoy your rest of time in Barcelona.
Hey buddy, so I'm gonna end off right here, so thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you very shortly. Peace. Peace.